Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a pen holder using recycling materials, mainly on the toilet paper roll, like these one. So let's get started. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how I make a pen holder using used materials that you could easily find at your house. Now the first thing that you'll be needing is used toilet paper roll. Now you can design it, color it, or you can just leave it plain. And I'll be using 3 of these, as you can see over here. I'll be using these for the pen holder. The next thing that you'll be needing is some glue. Next, you're gonna need a cardboard or a surface that you could place your toilet paper roll on top. Now let's begin. So the first step is to add glue under the bottom of the toilet paper roll. Once you're done with that, you can place it on the surface or the cardboard. And now I'll be putting it in the front. Now, you can repeat this process with the paper rolls that you have. And for the last one. And now, dun, 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 you made your pen holder. Now, we have to wait for this to dry so that we could completely use it. But I will be sending you some pictures on what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!